At Blinn Livestock Judging Camp, it's an opportunity to view all kinds of livestock. So over the course of the camp, we'll view market hogs, market steers, market lambs, breeding heifers, breeding does, breeding ewes, and breeding gilts. And that's all the species of livestock we'll judge at a livestock judging contest. So Blinn Livestock Judging Camp truly gives you the opportunity to view all the species you will possibly need for a contest. So I've been coming to the Blinn Livestock Judging Camp since I was 8 years old. So this is my 10th Blinn College Livestock Judging Camp. I went from camper to counselor overnight. Sitting on the other side of these kids, it makes you really feel like a leader, and it really is an awesome experience. Not only the things I learned here about livestock and agriculture and things from that aspect, but definitely the family atmosphere and all the friendships you get to make here definitely make Blinn Livestock Judging Camp one of my favorite places to spend my summers.
So I'm actually from Adair, Oklahoma, which is in the would be the northeast corner of Oklahoma. And Quest sent our ag teacher an email inviting us down here to come down here and judge. And we'd heard about Blinn and how much they've won and things like that. So we decided to make the 8-hour drive down here, and it's just been a lot of fun getting to judge and better ourselves and see our full potential.
Blinn College really holds a special place in my heart. It's been exciting to be able to go through the process and see it come full circle. I had the opportunity to be a student here at Blinn College, and I was on a very highly competitive judging team that won the American Royal, the National Western, and the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. And back in the day, those are some of the best memories I had competing with my classmates here and my teammates. And now I'm here as an instructor, and I really enjoy the process of being able to oversee our camp, and at the same time I have the opportunity to see young people come to our college, come to our facilities, and enjoy the experiences that I had here when I went to school. And so it's been a great opportunity to work with the youth that choose to come to our camps, and at the same time to be able to see our students as counselors, and more importantly as competitive livestock judges whenever we hit the road and go to our competitions.